One of the things I love most about working for Brent Staley is his soul and how genuine he is. We matter, life matters to him, and it just kind of rubs off on everybody who's around him.
He's always there, willing to be in support of anything that we do or we make an attempt to do. So he's just really even-keeled, level-headed, more so than most people that I know.
I love that he really cares and he asks you every day if there's anything he can do for you, and he truly means it.
You can talk to him. He owns a company, pretty good sized company. Most people that have that are pretend that they're better than you. That they, just because if they have money or they have material possessions or they've done it longer. He's not like that. And when I first saw Brent Staley, I was like, you don't look like an electrical person or owns a company. But then as I got to talk to him, he's just a down-to-earth, basic person that he cares.
He cares about his employees. He's very helpful and he's very involved.
He is just open. He made me feel comfortable from day one. He's a real genuine person.
His honesty and his friendship, which kind of rolls into his compassion for what we do. He gives me information flat out and is honest, which helps me become a better human and a better in my profession.
He doesn't look at you as just an employee, as a number. He actually looks at you as a family and a team member. And
he's honestly the coolest boss I've ever worked for. He doesn't act the way most people in his position would. He's a real laid-back and down-to-earth person, real easy to talk to.
He cares about your personal life. If you need help, he will help you. I know I could go to him and ask him, and he would give it to me. There's no questions asked about that. I know that.
Brent was a friend before he was actually my boss, and just how he interacts with me on a daily basis and our entire team, and it's always about what he can do to help, how he can make us better.
Brent's just like down to earth dude, you know. He's really kind, really understanding, you know, easy to get along with, easy to be around.
You feel like he's on the same level as you are, you're on the same level as he is. He's not worried about getting dirty and going to work. So, you know, that's something you don't see from bosses.
He's funny. He's a good guy. He's always showing up and he's just ready to go.
I like that he answers questions and you can get any answers you need from him. So anytime he asks you something, he'll have something for you. So
cares about you personally. He wants to make sure that any help that you need, he'll make sure you get it or do it himself. He's a down-to-earth kind of guy.
He's always been honest with me. If I've got a problem, I can always go to Brent Staley, and he will listen. And he'll tell you, you know, he might not have the answers, but he'll always listen, and he'll try his best, and he follows up.
Man, Brent Staley, he's a heck of a guy. He, every time I talk to Brent, he's always asking me, man, if you need anything, you just let me know, you know. I mean, he'll give you the shirt off his back. He's a really good guy.
What I like about working with Brent Staley is that just like anybody else that works here, you can go to him for anything that you need and he'll help you out any way he can.
The thing I like about working with Brent Staley is that he is someone that will always be there for you no matter what. Whatever you need, whenever you need it, he's the one that you can really count on.